Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today I will share with the installation which we have recently completed, that is 60 kilowatt, and the installation which we have done in Faisalabad city. So first I will share you the aerial view or the 3D layout. You can see we have designed these layout in SolidWorks, the software which we have used here. So let me show you from the outer side of this side. You can see that is departmental store we have installed, that is 60 kilowatt, and that project will be extended to 120 kilowatt because they are having another hosiery factory. So first we'll share with you the panels. The panels we have installed here, 440 watt JA tier 1A grade panels, and are having a 25 years and 10 years replacement warranty. 25 years by the way performance warranty. You can see the lighting arrestor we have installed here as well. The reason is that project is going to be on as a net metering. So we for the net metering we have to follow all the SOPs and the procedures of NAPRA. So that's why we did try all the things what are required here. So we have similarly done two earthing. One is for the DC and another is for the AC earthing as well. The properly earthing we have done here, and we did check the resistance as well, to home resistance. So anyways, let's back to the panels and the structure. The structure we have used here, customized elevated rooftop structure, and I've already shared the 3D layout as well. And the material, well, we have used here imported material because the reason was that side is being used as a commercial side, so that's why we did not compromise on anything on material. Similarly, the inverters we have used here 30 kilowatt chain inverters which are working perfect so far, alhamdulillah. And you can see the specifications of the inverters as well. We have used here, by the way, decentralized solution. I will let you know later why the decentralized solution is preferred as compared to centralized solutions. You can see, so let me open it and show one by one what the safety precautions we have done. This is AC 3-pole breaker. It's original, by the way, ABB. Then it's SPDs, AC SPDs, and these are the DC SPDs, and this is also DC fuses. As these are all, by the way, for the precautionary, for the safety purposes. Well, as I told you, the structure we have used a 14 gauge special the material, imported material, and you can see the specification of the panels. Well, it looks like a aluminium modules, but these are actually not aluminium. First we have done the red oxide, then we have used here enamel paint. You can see the uniformity. We have given the special space for the cross ventilation of air as well, because that is very important. Again, you can see the specification, because if you will not give the space, then it could create a hurdle and it could create issues as well. So you can see the rooftop, the roof, how we have done, because we had some objects as well, that's why we have elevated more. By the way, angle we have given a 23-degree tilt angle towards south, almost 198. So again, see the specifications. We did try our best to fix the structure as much as we can with the roof as well. We have given the maximum supports to the structure. This is another area where we gonna extend very soon, inshallah. So let's discuss about the inverters after the working. Right now these inverters are working. We have done all the Wi-Fi and the cloud storage done. Everything is working on the mobile as well. So you can see how we have duct we have used here, or on duct, and similarly we have used here 3 meters which are showing old and the impure as well. See, again, we have not connected all the strings. The reason was right now it is more generating than what they have basically need. That's why we have given here limit, because no net metering yet. It will take almost 2 months procedure to complete it. So again, that is another view of the inverter. Well, one thing I want to tell you here, the reason why we have done here decentralized solution, if God forbid, if anything happens, your one inverter would be affected, not all complete inverter. So that is the benefit of decentralized solution. Generally speaking, I always prefer decentralized solution because it is having more benefits, though it will increase the cost, but ultimately for the long term it will be having a lot of benefits. So see, you can see the inverter is working, everything sounds perfect so far. So that's the installation. If you have any question, any feedback, please write to the below the comments and subscribe our channel Bright Brothers. Thank you so much.